After this video, you'll finally know how your car's engine really works. A running engine needs a mix of fuel and air inside the combustion chamber. That mix is prepared by a carburetor or fuel injector. 1. Intake stroke. The intake valve opens, the piston moves down, and the fuel-air mixture is drawn in. 2. Compression stroke. The valve closes, the piston moves up, and the mixture gets compressed. 3. Power stroke. The spark plug ignites the mixture, causing an explosion that pushes the piston down. 4. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens, the piston moves up again, and the burnt gases are pushed out. And that's one full cycle of a 4-stroke engine.